downloaded a view of the DC area as seen from the International Space Station. We're going to zoom in on this view and we're going to pan around here. You can clearly see the outline of the District of Columbia, as well as the corresponding region in Alexandria and Fairfax and Arlington on the west side of the Potomac River, going from north to south here. You can see the National Mall going east-west, as well as Capitol Hill and the National Monument, and barely make out the White House. You can see a lot of DC is very brightly lit at night, but I'm actually making this video to, you can actually see the Woodrow Wilson Bridge as well on the Beltway over here towards the south. A little bit of some of the features may be familiar to you. What I was actually particularly interested was going over here into Northern Virginia. You can see Tyson's Corner. It's one of the brighter light polluting areas here. This big green splotch here caught my interest, so what I did was I overlaid a map of Google Maps here, and I'm going to flip to the map here and show you. So I overlaid a map, and again, now you can see the National Mall, the Woodrow Wilson Bridge. Interestingly enough, the Beltway over here on the east is actually pretty dark. You actually can't see the Beltway very well here, but you do actually see the buildings and structures that exist along major roads and commercial areas. But as I zoom in over here on the left, I actually find that that big green splotch that's well lit up is actually the George Mason University campus. Over here, it has one of the biggest sources of light pollution actually in the Fairfax, Virginia area, which is a bit of a surprise. Thanks.